In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Calendly event link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your event link and how to share it so people can book time with you quickly and easily. First, log into your Calendly account. If you haven't used Calendly in a while, just head to the Calendly website and sign in like you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which shows your scheduling tools and event types. Next, navigate to the scheduling area to find the event type you want to share. This is where all your meeting options live, like 15-minute chats, 30-minute meetings, or custom sessions you've already set up. If you manage multiple event types, take a moment to choose the one that fits the kind of meeting you're inviting people to. For example, if you're expecting a quick intro call, the 30-minute meeting is a popular choice because it's short, focused, and easy for most people to fit into their calendars. On the event type card, look for the copy link button. This is your direct booking URL for that specific event. When you click copy link, Calendly saves the unique link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. If you want to double check what invitees will see, you can paste the link into a new browser tab and preview the booking page. This helps confirm you picked the right event and that the details, like duration and availability, look the way you expect. Now you're ready to share. Paste the link in emails when you're arranging a time, include it in social media posts or direct messages, add it to your website as a book a meeting button, and drop it into your email signature so it's always available at the bottom of your messages. A quick tip for email. Add a short line before the link, such as choose a time that works for you, to make it clear what the link is for. On your website, place the link where visitors naturally look for contact options, like your contact page or bio section. And for social media, keep the message simple and professional, especially if you're sharing publicly. That's all there is to it. Log in, select the right event type from scheduling, copy the link from the event card, and share it wherever your audience is most likely to see it. With this workflow, booking time with you becomes effortless for everyone.